Informasi lainnya pemirsa, Presiden Prabowo Subianto menelpon Donald Trump dan menyampaikan sukacita atas terpilihnya Trump sebagai Presiden Amerika Serikat.
Ya, sementara itu Trump menyebut Presiden Prabowo sebagai sosok yang luar biasa dan juga memuji bahasa Inggris Presiden Prabowo Subianto.
Nice to talk to you. How are you?
Fine, thank you. I would like to congratulate you on your election as President of the United States of America. I would like,
Thank you so much.
if possible, I would like to call personally on you. Wherever you are, I'm willing to fly to congratulate you personally, sir.
Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice. Well, we'll do that anytime you want, but great job you're doing in Indonesia. Great job. Proud of you.
Sir,
Amazing. And your English is so good.
yes, sir,
Very good, the English.
all my training is American, sir.
That's great. We had a great election in the U.S. We had a great election. It's amazing what happened. We had tremendous success. The most successful in over 100 years, they say, and that's a great honor. So it gives me a very big mandate
Yes, and
to do things properly.
And of course we were all shocked when they tried to assassinate you, but we are very happy that the Almighty protected you, sir.
Yes, I got very lucky. I just happened to be in the right place in the right direction. Otherwise, I wouldn't be talking to you right now. I got quite lucky, actually.
Yes, sir, and
Somebody was protecting me, I guess.
yeah.
It's, how are you doing? Everything good?
Yes, sir.
Everything good?
Yes, sir, and I also had the honor of hosting Mr. Jared Kushner, and I hope to keep in touch with him again.
That's good. Well, whenever you're around, you let me know, and I'd like to also get to your country sometime. It's incredible. The job that you're doing is incredible.
Thank you, sir.
Respected. You're a very respected person.
Sir.
And I give you credit for that. It's not easy.
Thank you, sir.
It's not easy.
I'll try to call on you at your convenience, sir, if it's possible. Yes, sir.
Yes, you call anytime you want. You have my number. This is my number.
Thank you, sir.
And you call anytime you want. It's my great honor to talk to you, and I'll see you soon. I look forward to. Please send to your people, to the people of Indonesia, my regards. That I have great respect for them and for you. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, Mr. President. Thank you, sir. Once again, congratulations.
Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care of yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Presiden Prabowo ajak perusahaan besar Amerika Serikat tingkatkan investasi di Indonesia.
Ya, ajakan tersebut disampaikan saat pertemuan dengan perwakilan perusahaan di Amerika Serikat.
Presiden Prabowo Subianto melanjutkan lawatan kenegaraan ke Amerika Serikat. Prabowo bersama sejumlah menteri bertemu dengan organisasi non-pemerintah di United States Indonesia Society atau USINDO. Dalam pertemuan itu hadir pemimpin perusahaan besar Amerika Serikat seperti Freeport-McMoRan, Boeing, ExxonMobil, dan perusahaan besar lainnya. Total ada 25 pihak, baik dari Indonesia maupun Amerika Serikat yang ikut dalam pertemuan tersebut. Prabowo mendorong peningkatan investasi dari perusahaan-perusahaan tersebut.
Ya, saya sangat gembira pertemuan tadi dengan perusahaan-perusahaan terbesar ya di Amerika dan di dunia. Mereka sangat terlibat dalam perekonomian Indonesia, dalam pembangunan Indonesia. Sudah lama mereka di Indonesia dan mereka terus percaya dengan Indonesia, dengan ekonomi Indonesia, dan saya juga mendorong mereka untuk terus melakukan investasi, ikut serta dalam rencana pembangunan kita.
Diskusi dalam pertemuan itu berjalan produktif karena perusahaan tersebut selama ini telah menjalin kerjasama dengan Indonesia. Selain investasi di bidang teknologi, isu energi terbarukan juga menjadi topik khusus yang dibicarakan bersama para pengusaha tersebut. Tim Liputan iNews melaporkan.
Presiden Prabowo Subianto bertemu dengan Presiden Amerika Serikat Joe Biden di Gedung Putih Selasa waktu Amerika Serikat.
Isu stabilitas di Asia Tenggara dan GA ini menjadi topik yang dibahas selengkapnya bersama jurnalis VOA Rio Tuasikal dari Gedung Putih.
Mr. President, welcome to the White House.
Thank you. Thank you.
So glad you're here.
Thank you.
How'd you sleep? Good?
Good.
This is where the airport is now. So Mr. President, that's the Capitol. Democrat over the mantle, but President Biden wanted both parties represented.
Mr. President, very kind of you. Great honor.
I just meet my son. Meet my son, Hunter.
Mr. President, how are you? How are you, sir?
Honored to meet you.
How are you, sir?
The Chief of Protocol.
I'm the Chief of Protocol.
How are you?
The same Chief of
Dad, you protocol. Come on. Come on.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you, sir. Great honor.
All right.
Thank you, President Biden. Thank you for receiving me. I also would like to thank you. You phoned me yourself upon my election.
There's 75 years of diplomatic relationship with Indonesia and the United States. 75 years. I'm proud that the partnership between our countries is stronger than it's ever been. And today we're going to discuss how we continue to strengthen that partnership.
United States for us is a very great friend. United States supported us in our struggle for independence and helped us many times in our time of need. Therefore, I will work very hard to strengthen Indonesian-United States relationship, and I would like to work towards this end, that we have a strong cooperation. Once again, President Biden, thank you very much for
Thank you. Look forward to our discussion.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Informasi selanjutnya, pemirsa, Kepala Staf Angkatan Laut Laksamana TNI Muhammad Ali mengatakan Indonesia berencana bekerjasama dengan Cina di bidang militer.
Pemirsa, Kepala Staf Angkatan Laut Kasal Laksamana TNI Muhammad Ali menceritakan pengalamannya saat ikut mendampingi Presiden Prabowo Subianto ketika berkunjung ke Cina beberapa waktu lalu. Kasal juga mengungkap peningkatan kerjasama antara Indonesia dan Cina dalam segala bidang. Khusus di militer, nantinya akan dilakukan kerjasama di bidang pertahanan, termasuk kemungkinan adanya pengadaan alutsista dari Cina.
Dari pembicaraan dengan seluruh pihak yang ada di Republik Rakyat Tiongkok, semuanya berjalan sangat harmonis ya. Kerjasama nanti akan banyak ditingkatkan di segala bidang. Khusus untuk militer juga akan ada kerjasama di bidang pertahanan. Termasuk kemungkinan adanya pengadaan alutsista dari Republik Rakyat Tiongkok.